Okay, bud. Ready to fight?
Every time you hit me, I hit you.
Come on, cover your legs. Down here? No, not like that, otherwise it's going to hit your legs. Bring it out. Like that, yeah. Coming this way. Good. Okay. What are you looking at?
I don't have that much energy. I'm not that strong.
Tired?
Yeah, my arms get tired.
Okay. You did a good job.
Yeah.
You did a really good job.
At least I learned new moves.
Let's see what you look like on the camera.